How to disable two-factor authentication in Messenger. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Messenger application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, tap on Settings. And then inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on See More in Account Center right over here. Once you're here, you want to scroll below again, then tap on Password and Security. And just like so, you'll then be able to find two-factor authentication. Go ahead and tap onto it, then choose your Facebook account, as your Facebook and Messenger are related. Now you want to go ahead and enter your password. Now as you can see, my two-factor authentication is turned on. If you would like to turn it off, you want to go ahead and tap on SMS or WhatsApp, and then simply toggle off this button. And once you do that, you'll then be able to find an option that says turn off right over here. Tap on turn off, and just like that, you'll then be able to disable two-factor authentication in Messenger. Well, that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.